How to set the time or duration between slides on PowerPoint. So if you want to set the time or duration between the slides on your PowerPoint, then what you need to do is just select the first slide and you need to go with the transitions option. Under transitions, you need to go with after, turn on the after, and then go with the time. So you can simply choose a transition. Once you choose a transition, now you need to go with time and you can simply set the time or duration. I'll be choosing 3 seconds. And after that, you need to go with the second slide, again add a transition, and then go with after and 3 seconds. And this way, you just need to simply go with all of your other slides. And if you go with the bottom right, then you'll have this kind of interface. And that's it. That's how you can set the time or duration between the slides on PowerPoint. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.